Hello everyone, this is Tech20 coming at you today with another video. Today we're going to be covering how to get Microsoft Office 100% for free. Since most of my tutorials are going to be on Microsoft Office, at least here initially, helpful if you have a copy of it. And there's no better price than free, so what we're going to do is go ahead and go to our search up here. We're going to go ahead and type in office.com and hit enter so we can get to that website. So give you the option is telling you that Office is going to become Microsoft 365 here in the not too distant future. Looks like they're just changing the name up a little bit, a little symbol. That's pretty cool. So if you want to get Microsoft Office 365, that's where you have to buy it to pay for it. Or you don't want to do that. We don't want to pay anything, right? So you can either sign up for the free version of Microsoft 365 or Office 365 and go ahead and just click sign in since I already have an account. It's going to bring me up to my sign-in page, which I will go ahead and happily enter in my information. And I'm going to go ahead and hit next. Here, it's going to go ahead and bring me into we're going to send a code, which I'm going to go ahead and happily wait for. So I'm going to go and click on send code, which I should have just done. And I just received my super duper code. Go ahead and enter that in and click sign in. It's going to ask me if I want to stay signed in. I'm just going to go ahead and select no because that's how I roll. So here you have your Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, your Excel workbook, form from Forms, quiz form, pages from Sway. All the different applications are available to you here right in this one application. So what you're going to do is just so you can kind of compare it. I'm going to go ahead and click on Excel. I'm going to do a new blank workbook. And it's going to go ahead and load that for me. It's loading. I promise it is. And here it is. You can see the top here. Got all the same options. I'm going to go ahead and drop down the ribbon because I like the larger ribbon. And here's all your options on your ribbon. Data, just like I've shown you before with your options. On there you have all the different options that are available to you on the standard version of Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please do feel free to go ahead and like and subscribe. Oh, before I do get to that, let me go ahead and just let you know you can actually access this on your home computer. Unfortunately or fortunately, I have the paid version of Microsoft 365 on my home computer, so it's not going to let me show you. But what you would do is it does come pre-installed on all Windows 10 and 11 machines. What you're going to do is type in Office or look in your programs for Office. Get that to start loading. Go ahead and sign in there. And then you can go ahead and sign in from there and access all the same programs as you would through the website. Just a couple different ways to access that. You can also access it on your Android or iPhone smartphones or on your tablets as well. Anywhere you can get an internet connection and get Office 365 or Microsoft 365 now downloaded. All right, thank you once again. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.